Hey everyone, and welcome! Have you ever stopped to think about your teeth? I mean, really think about them. They help you talk, give you your awesome smile, and wow, are they important for eating? Okay, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of your amazing teeth.
To help us out, let's meet our friend, Aisha. See, just like us, she's super curious. She's looking in the mirror, checking out her teeth, and she has a really big question popping into her head.
So Aisha's wondering, my teeth are hard. I wonder what is inside them. You know what? That is a fantastic question, and it actually gives us two awesome mysteries to solve. First, what do all our different teeth actually do? And second, what's inside them? Let's find out.
So first up, let's figure out what your teeth do, because it turns out they aren't all the same. Not at all. It's better to think of them like a superhero team, where every member has a totally different special power. So, let's meet your mighty tooth team.
Okay, take a look. Inside your mouth, you've got a team of 3 different kinds of teeth, and they all have to work together to help you eat. We have some teeth right up front, some pointy ones on the sides, and then those big ones way in the back.
Let's begin right at the very front of your mouth. The first members of our tooth team are called the incisors. Yep, these are the teeth you see when you give someone a great big smile.
You've got 8 of these incisors, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. They're sharp, and their special job is to cut your food when you take that very first bite.
Okay, team member 1, check. Now let's move just a little to the side from the front teeth. Here we find the next members of the team, the canines. You can probably spot them right away. They're the pointy ones.
That's right, your canines are your sharpest teeth. You've got 4 of them, and because they're so pointy, they have a really important job, to tear food, especially food that's a little tougher to get through. And finally, let's go all the way to the back of your mouth. This is where we find the biggest and strongest members of the whole team. Let's give a big hello to the molars.
Molars are your biggest teeth for sure. They have these wide, bumpy tops, and that shape is absolutely perfect for their job, which is to mash and grind food up into tiny pieces so it's easy to swallow.
So we've officially met the whole team. We have incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, and molars for grinding. Now let's picture eating something yummy right now and see exactly how they all work together. So, when you take a bite of food, it's your incisors, the ones at the front, that get to work first. They act kind of like scissors to just cut off a piece that's the perfect size. And then, right next to them, the sharp canines are ready to jump in and tear any tougher bits. Once they're done, they pass everything to the back of your mouth for the final, crucial step.
All right, awesome. We've solved the first part of Aisha's question. We now know what our teeth do. But what about that second part? What's actually inside them? To find out, we're going to take a journey deep inside one single tooth.
Whoa, if we could slice a tooth right down the middle, this is what we'd see. It's not just one solid thing, is it? It's made of all these different layers, and each layer has its own important job. Let's start from the outside and make our way in.
The part of your tooth you can actually see is called the enamel. It's basically the tooth's protective shield. And get this, enamel is the hardest substance in your entire body. It's even harder than your bones. Its job is to protect all the softer parts inside. So right underneath that super strong enamel, there's another layer. This one is called dentine. Now, it's still very, very hard, but it's not quite as tough as the enamel. This layer makes up most of the tooth.
And now we've made it to the very center of the tooth. Deep inside here are the nerves and blood vessels. The blood vessels bring all the good stuff to keep the tooth healthy, and the nerves are what let you feel if something's really hot or cold. This is what keeps your tooth alive.
Well, we did it! We solved both of Aisha's mysteries. We've met the whole tooth team, and we've taken a journey right to the center of a tooth. So let's do a quick recap of what makes your teeth so completely awesome. So just remember, your teeth work like a perfect team. You've got the incisors to cut, the canines to tear, and the molars to grind. Say it with me. Cut, tear, grind.
And that, my friends, is the amazing story of your teeth. They're a team of cutters, tearers, and grinders. And each one is a living thing with a super strong shield on the outside protecting a soft-feeling center.
Your tooth team does so much work for you every single day. So that leaves us with one final very important question to think about. Now that you know how incredible your teeth are, what can you do to keep that whole team healthy, happy, and strong for your entire life? Thanks for exploring with us today.